to Paredes. Back to Evangelista. Pass to Candola for 3. 3 points para kay Candola. Rebound by Evangelista. Steal para kay Apin. Ayan na. Pass to Gonzalan with a easy 2 points. Big spot. Nagmamadali. Pass to Gonzalan with a easy 2 points. Inbound para kay Lano. Pass to Evangelista. 2 points. Apin. Big spot. Pass to Tete. Drive for 3. Yeah! 3 points. Deep Brittany. Candola. Strong drive. Pass to this group. Mendoza. Drive for 3. 3 points. Para sa team Brittany. Evangelista with a pull-up jumper. Basket. Done. Pass to big spot. Inside pass to Carlos with an easy 2 points. Paredes, pass to Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Evangelista for 3. 3 points. Looking for teammate. Inside pass to Carlos with a shot. 2 points. Mendoza, pass to Lano. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul, counted. Foul, jersey number. Looking for teammate. 15 seconds to shoot with an inside pass to Carlos. 2 points by Carlos. Evangelista for 3. Evangelista 3. Gonzalan, drive for 3. 3 points para Gonzalan. Pass break pass to Carlos. 2 points para Carlos. Apin. Inside pass to Carlos. What a play para Carlos and Apin. Sibua. Inside pass to steal para Candola. Pass break pass to Arciaga. With a power layup. No good. Rebound by Aguilar. With an easy 2 points. Sibua. Bring the ball. Inside pass to Carlos. For 2 points. Easy 2 points. Pass to Carlos. Inside pass to Carlos. Carlos ball talaga. Number 3. No good. Rebound para Carlos. With an easy 2 points. Now Nilano. Pass break. Pass to Carlos. Pass to Carlos. 2 points by Carlos. Pass to Sibua. With a third of shots. Basket is good. Carlos. Inside pass to steal para Aguilar. Aguilar with the Toro move. Inside pass to Paredes. 2 points. Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Aguilar with an easy 2 points. Oy. Carlos. Lumipad. Yan talaga yung kanina. Evangelista with a fake. Foul. Counted. Foul jersey number. Paredes. Crossover. With a easy 2 points para kay Paredes. Rebound by Aguilar. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista in and out with an easy layout. Rebound para kay Paredes. In and out. Pass fake. Pass to Aguilar with an easy 2 points. In the drive. Basket para kay Juan. Rebound para kay Aguilar. Pass to Paredes. Foul. Counted. Para kay Paredes. Koke, nagdadala ng bola. End of the second quarter. Pass to Evangelista. side step with an easy layup. Pass to Paredes. Rebound by good. Rebound by Carlos. Pass to big spot. And you pass to Gonzalan. One protection. Pass to Happy. Lumipat na with an easy 2 points. Evangelista. David Evangelista. The line. Foul. Counted. Foul on third sa naman nila. Pass to Happy. Lumipat na. Carlos yan. Gonzalan. Pass to Happy. Fake. The line with an easy 2 points para each spot. Two points para Gonzalan. Aguilar with an easy 2 points. Three points. Gonzalan with a fake and shot. 3 points para Gonzalan. Aguilar with a strong move. Rebound by Paredes with an easy 2 points. Happy with an easy 2 points. Gonzalan pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside pass to Golosa with an easy 2 points. Pass to Gonzalan. Back to Happy. Inside pass to Carlos. 2 points. Still para Aguilar with a pass break. Pass to Paredes with an easy 2 points. 5 seconds. Then save to shoot. Gonzalan, 3 Paredes. 2 points. Parayagan. Now ulit si Chavez. Pass to Pin for 3. Pin, 3. In the letter. Pass to Gonzalan. What a play para kay Gonzalan at Pin. Iba para kay Carlos. Pass to Happy. Inside pass to Chavez for an easy 2 points. Gonzalan inside pass to Happy with a break and easy 2 points for Evangelista. Steal para Happy. Happy with a foul counted. Foul on jersey number. Speed move pass to Mendoza, 15 seconds to shoot. Outside pass to Evangelista for 3. Evangelista, 3. Sama pa si Moe. Good. Basket para Carlos. Happy, pass to Emilio with an easy 2 points. Gandola with a left hand layup, 2 points. Now one Gandola with a crossover. Gandola, calculation for 2. Foul counted. Foul, no good. Rebound para Aguilar. Pass break, pass to Mendoza. Uyan na. Gonzalan with a layup with an easy 2 point. 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to Carlos. By Carlos. Evangelista. Bumuelo with a side step. 2 points para Evangelista. Happy, lumipad. No good. Rebound para kay Carlos with an easy 2 points. Evangelista with a layout. Last. Happy. Pass break pass to Carlos with a sexy shot. 2 points. Si Umano naman daw next.